Are you getting Amazon error on your business seller account? Have you spent hours or days trying to figure out what they want? You've submitted documents, waited, submitted more documents, waited. Business number or information doesn't match the public registers. Your account at risk for Brazil, Mexico, Canada, and maybe even the United States? You've done nothing at all to cause this. It just happened. And now you're freaking out? This is what worked for us in North Carolina. Go to your Secretary of State page. States may vary. Search your business name. Once you found it, click on your business. Click more information to expand the information. This is what Amazon is wanting, your business number, not your EIN number. For our case, we're an LLC and it has our business structure. Take screenshots of all your info and include the website at the top of the page. We will turn it into a PDF real quick. Select multiple files if you have more than one screenshot. We're going to drag the screenshots over into the PDF maker. Click on Combine. Not sure if naming matters, but we're going to save as Company Extract Business Name. We're going to go back into Amazon Seller Central. You can follow the prompts that they give you to fix your issues, or go over to your business information section. Our issue was already fixed, so it no longer shows the error on the page. You'll want to drop down the business info section and upload your company extract that we just created. If you have an error at the bottom of this page, you may need to provide more documents. We provided a certificate of existence or a certificate of good standing. We got this from the Secretary of State. You can go back to the Secretary of State's page and create an account if you don't already have one. And you can purchase the official documents from their website. They are around $10 a form and available to download immediately. Then you're going to go back to Amazon and upload your document. Make sure you click Submit for verification at the bottom of the page. It may take minutes, hours, or a day to see if this worked. Hope this video helps someone.